Okay. 679 video. You must be open on the video. Probably because I'm on menu thing. I can't order online.
Nice. Nice.
Taking a while for
Nice training.
my phone over here.
Hmm?
Beverage, breakfast.
Oh, I forgot your got your name. I forgot. What's it called? Jacob?
I'm trying to get to the
Jacob? Jacob? C-Cub?
I don't see nothing on here but breakfast. Why I can't get to the other menu? I can't get to what it is.
Jacob?
What's going on?
Oh. Mm, now I do. Now I do. What are you doing here now? No. Been training. I'm by myself.
Well, wait, they ain't even got their fish and chips no more. Are you on the menu? I can't even get the menu up. I'm on it now. But it's
That's what
only
I've been
showing
doing.
me sandwiches. Come out of Google on Safari. Maybe I can find it here.
Good Lord, Beerus. Why? What happened?
Well, the fish and chips ain't on here no more. I see a fish sandwich.
Did he break your bones? Aw, shoot. Aw, shoot. Cheetah. Cheetah. Well, last thing,
You just kick me.
last thing you need is training.
Get on the actual menu. Well, yeah, well, it just kicked me out. Oh, it did? Okay, they're fish and chips, limited time too. Oh, here we go.
I can.
So all I see is breakfast.
I can teach you, buddy.
View the menu. Okay, I
Hmm?
got it now. Oh, this is.
Well,
This is a different menu. Oh, that's the long one they give us. Oh, this is.
what problem? was a little small.
Is that an appetizer?
100%.
What's that? The wingding. Let me see. Okay. Oh, this is an old one on their website. It got $9.99 on it. So, yeah. On whose website? This website I found was
Well,
on the menu.
you
Like
came to the right.
Jay's Chicken Pita.
You came to the right place.
$9.99. No, it's $10.45. That's even on the printed out one I got at home. Yeah, I know it's 10 something. Yeah, and then the wingding is.
Of course, I have nothing else to do. First thing. Oh, first thing I'm gonna do is.
Where's the damn chicken? Wingding.
Try to.
Okay, so this can't be it because he go to wingding.
Try to land a punch on me.
Wingding is 6 for $9.99 on this old website. So they've gone up because there's a current menu on there.
Not bad. Ah!
You hear me?
Not bad.
$13.65 for 10. Oh, that's 10. Okay. Well, I'm looking at
Not
6.
bad.
So 13, and it might be 50 cents more or something. Oh, well, I'll know when I get there. I'm gonna call and ask them. So I know the last stuff I don't even see. What else was you looking for?
Well, that's the only easy part.
Your fish, wingding. I found my fish.
You're gonna learn how to fly.
But that's just for the wings only. Yeah. Well, that's all they want is wings. But I'm gonna call and ask them if you get like a dinner with the wings and the fries, how much is? I mean, wings and a salad, how much is that? He's gonna pay separate. He don't want no fries. He's gonna pay separate for that salad. Yeah. Well, cause you can get fries with it. Okay. Yeah. Well, not on the appetizer. Oh, I ain't on the appetizer. No, I said you only get 6, so there's nothing comes with that but 6 wingdings. It say wingdings only. Oh yeah. And that's for
In this
6.
power, you can beat almost everything.
But I mean, you can't just call and find out because it's 3:30, and then I'll just when I'm leaving Freddy's, hopefully he'll be there between 5 and 6. And be in goddamn traffic.
Tennis, your mom.
Now the DMs to respond. 800%. Match open plus Trump,
You gotta use all your power to fly. Well, just pretend.
Hi, I have a question. On your fish dinner,
Your family's dead too.
French fries.
So they're basically equals. Even Vegeta.
Okay. Okay, how much is that? Okay. That's about the minimum. Okay, now on
Make
the
me.
dinner, it says the wings and French fries. Can you substitute wings?
Ow!
Yeah, right. How much
Ah. Ah.
for the 10 piece.
Not bad.
Soup, okay.
Now.
Okay, and what kind of soup you got? Okay then, let me call back, okay?
And they close at what time? 8?
Saiyans.
What time they close?
Now you're gonna learn how to be at a Saiyans level.
They close at 9.
Use your ultimate power. Not bad. Not bad. Same as me and Vegeta power.
Denise, what you want? Take his pop out.
Don't worry.
Okay. Okay.
You'll get it soon.
It is frozen.
Yeah, just put it in the
That's your
refrigerator.
power on the dummy.
Does he want something to drink now?
I don't think so.
But you still got that one good I mean, how much was it?
Oh, wait. There we go.
They both went up and down.
Okay.
Okay, you want something to drink now? It's hot. You got a Pepsi in it. Oh. Okay, I put it in the refrigerator.
Super.
Will now because she told him to. And you're right, in these small districts, that can decide a whole electoral vote for a state. What's up, guys? It's Rashawn Dion from I think she got a lot of power. Okay, check this out, folks. Check this out. This is the way to do it. Yes. Not the way Ben Affleck did it.
Instant transmission. This time you're gonna learn how to do instant transmission. Like this. Dang it. I can't even land a freaking hit. Ah.
How long are you guys supposed to leave the hair dye on for on the beard? What do you
Up here.
No, I mean, you can open the door. It's cold outside.
You try. You try. You're doing it. Nice.
He gets what?
See, I get them things.
Oh, I don't know.
Now.
You didn't have some of those.
Oh, I didn't have these at all.
Huh?
I ain't had those.
Yeah, but are you going to do anything other than black?
I will.
You do?
Yeah.
She said you get 2 sides with a ring in it. You get 2 sides?
Well, not really good at aiming it. You will. You'll get used to it. Anyway. Another thing. You also have.
Regular salad. I think they get a small salad, whatever it is. And she's able to get 2 things.
Your ultimate power.
So a 10-piece wingding salad.
You got some.
And all flats. Yeah, put that down there.
You got the power powers. Use it. Use it on me. Ultra. Anything.
Oh, okay.
Ah! Huh? Dog! Oh, wait, no. Huh? Dog did. Ow.
For what? You get money off and you get 25% off if you spend $7 on your app.
Gotcha.
See, that's what I tell you what happens.
Spirit bomb.
You're right.
Not bad, wake up.
Yeah, she sure did. That's why I just looked up.
Actually.
Right?
Actually broke my shirt.
Yeah, no, she came home. Tonight. So don't think I'm coming back right now. Oh, no, I know. Yeah, I know what time to eat. But, yeah, I'm just, that's why I he'll eat whenever you.
Ow.
And you know that. Because I told him that before. I said, well, he know me.
Well, can you try beating? Well,
you know, when they can't do, that's different. It's different. Yes. If it's something, you know,
can you try beating this? Boom. I'll go easy on you. Ow! Oh, God dang it!
So what you all flats, right?
Very good. Very good.
Can
I not?
Y'all said, well, it was traffic. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Managed to beat me past Super Saiyan Blue.
But she does. Yes. She's working on that. And she know me, okay, say we were going to ride the fire people or something. Yeah. She know I'm very comfortable. Okay. I'll be
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get here and see.
Now,
Come to the car.
now,
Because now it's like 10 left.
I will teach you how to
I say he can make his own sandwich.
be
I say
ultra.
Oh, I be fuming.
I will teach you how to be ultra instinct.
Oh. Okay, so you got everything? Do you know what it costs? Put y'all stuff up.
So what you do is,
Trying to get rid of those cars. You got those classic cars. And she want to move. And so she's in that.
This is where you change into Earth Zero.
She's angry. I want these cars gone. I want them gone. And she want them gone now. I gotta get these clothes off now. Yeah, you know, it don't quite work. I say, are you ready?
We gonna clean
So
up
if
this
she is
kitchen
ready,
table
that's
here.
fine.
Okay.
But she's making herself real angry. She 85. I mean, you be getting hyper. Yeah. I just, oh God, I can't.
Change into Earth
You
Zero.
already know you can't do it. Yeah. But I told her, Freddie, stop getting out of sort because it'll work out. It'll work out. Yeah, but I just wanted to be done.
Okay.
So she called. I had to run over there the other day. I don't want to have no heart. But that's kind of like the way she...
Mastered
So
instincts.
anyway, my ex-son-in-law, his brother,
I'm gonna have
detailed on them old school cars. And the one car is a 1992 Seville.
Fine.
So, I mean, he's going to come and look at it and see if he wants it. Look, and then, well, he'll detail it.
Are you
and
sure?
He'll sell it for, you know. He'll be able to sell it. Yeah. You know, you see all them. T don't do that now. He don't do it, but he...
Okay then. Okay then.
Oh yeah, and then they got a 76 Seville. That's up there.
Use all your power on me. Use all your power on me.
There's no rust on it because Bernard took care of his cars too. The only thing about that green one is on the hood. The paint is beginning. So he's gonna come on. He said I can get there between 5 and 6. So I already called her back and told her. So he said, "Yeah, I hope you
Oh no!
He'll be there. But the man across the street worked on that.
Spirit bomb.
That was like 2 weeks ago. He told her he'd get back to her in a couple of days.
Boom! Whoa!
It's been 2 weeks. You don't even have to work. Okay.
I'm going all out. I'm going all out.
It's out that way. And it's a shop they buy or get and restore. Yeah, like the ones they been running up and down in Woodward.
Boom, boom.
For the Woodward Dream Club. Yeah. But if I see what he does, I was gonna call them and see.
Oops.
You know. But again, you take time and it'll be done. Yeah, it'll be done. Ugh. And see, there's nobody here. Her son, they only have one son here in Virginia. She has no relatives. She has one nephew, left in Belleville with his wife, and then her son in Virginia. She has one cousin that's just as sick as she is. She's sick because she's you mean sickly. Yeah. She's got her own little things going on. But she didn't visit that much when she was with. That's it's so
Change into Earth Zero.
I don't know what that feels like not to have nobody. Well, I ain't got nobody either. 2 girls and a man. It's just like I ain't got nobody. You don't do shit. But I do have someone. You know what I'm saying? Got somebody. I got somebody.
Change again. Change again.
If you ain't got nobody, you got Sharon.
My sister. Hell, she don't even come out the damn house.
Show me you.
No, see, this one's got to go down. You don't even see no ankle. No, that ain't never.
Okay.
That part. It can't go down. She's on it too much. She's done it. It go down
Okay.
when she
Alright.
stayed off of it that day, it got real small. I said,
Round
"Right,
2.
You did. I didn't.
Yeah, it wasn't this small now.
Try to get past this.
It wasn't like that.
Try to get past this. Oh crap, that's the spirit bomb. That's the spirit bomb. Come,
This just came through. What is it?
crap. Hey, no. God. Now you're actually in for it.
This is October. This is far as she went. She said she'll schedule the last week of the month if she has to. You know, if I need it.
Fine.
She said I may not need it. I know, okay.
Fine. But go all out. Go all out.
Huh?
This time. What the?
That thing took me that morning. She said, wait, man.
You gotta like them both when he's here. He must have got a haircut and pussy.
Oh God, not the... No. Oh God. Please don't. Okay. I am safe.
I'm so much better, but y'all don't know when that one.
But I told her she may
Wait a minute.
going forward when the weather
Ah,
rains, you may
that goes through it.
I'm talking about this. I don't know what makes her think she's.
Oh my God, no. No. No.
I didn't have, you know how long I always get that pain. But I ain't never got
Right.
like this.
Dragon fist. What the? Oh no. Not the spirit bomb again.
And I think when she says
No. No.
it's the nerves, it's the inside, all of that.
No. No. Huh? No. No. No.
Well, guess what Rosie said? She gonna reach out to her doctor. You gotta go to the doctor and find out what's wrong.
Ow.
No, but she never took the physical
He just, what? He keeps on doing it. Ah, ah.
So I don't know. And she needs to go to the doctor. She got a lot of things going on
And
with
you
her.
know what? Because she didn't do what she should.
Now you're actually in for it. Now you wait. Where did he go? Doesn't matter now. Where did he go? Huh? What? Ah! Ah! No! 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 Ah! Oh no! Oh no! Ah! Come on!
She's not gonna stop smoking. Especially from
I'm dead. No! No! No!
Absolutely, I was a smoker. But I don't tell her to quit smoking.
Oh, wow. Why?
We already know that. Yeah, we know she's smoking. But it affects everything.
Not bad. Not bad.
Smoking gives you.
Not bad.
Leonardo never smoked. He got cancer. He showed.
He never smoked.
Smoking causes
Not
cancer.
bad.
But he got cancer. He don't smoke.
Not bad.
Look, if people get cancer
But
every day.
Almost close.
For 30 years. But that's what he got.
Almost getting stronger.
Yeah.
You know.
And yeah, smoking. I
My
can
mama
say
never smoked. She had cancer.
it ain't. That's the last one. It's not the smoking. It does affect your stomach. Why? Because most people are not eating, smoking. It curbs your appetite. Then you light up another one, the chemicals in it. It does. It bothers you, but I don't think it's gonna kill you that way.
But I'm gonna tell you, when I smoked, I enjoyed it.
Yeah, well,
Oh yeah, give me a cup.
you're not.
Please.
I'm a nervous smoker. When I get upset, I smoke.
You still do today?
I started back.
Did you? Not like she used to.
Well, you're not close to a Saiyans level yet.
But I had lung cancer. Yeah. Okay. Now mentally, you would be like, oh no,
Alright, then.
What was it? What made me fly off? It had to be one of my girls.
This time,
Robin, because she had to move. Yeah.
use all.
But I don't do it like I used to. Oh no way, like I used to. Ain't nobody smoking.
But I'm gonna tell you, I really believe if you do it in moderation, it ain't gonna kill you. I just don't.
Sometimes I sit all day. If I smoke, it's when I'm in my car. Yeah.
Responsibility.
Like I took her to rehab the first time, and I went outside because I hadn't smoked since yesterday. Yeah. I said, I was reading all that little food places. Now, where did we go?
Oh, that's right, up and down.
Oh yeah, up and down.
Let's do.
I was standing out there looking
Let's do this.
and so that's I
Huh? Where'd he go?
Oh, really? That's what I've heard a lot of people say that.
Not again.
A long time ago. I'm only 3 years into it. Okay. 3 I stopped 3 on Brady's birthday. That's how I knew I would never forget it because I stopped that.
You gotta trick him. You're gonna fall for this. Definitely. Wait a minute. He's right behind me. No. No.
And I called him back. I'm ready.
Not bad, dude. He is getting stronger and stronger.
I don't think that's good for people. And I had it the 27th.
No. You're gonna kill me.
Go to prison because they don't have a special mattress.
Well, okay then. Okay then, lady.
Wait a minute. There, Judge.
Oh crap. No, I missed.
These are the people that he got together.
Oh yeah, the man.
I'm dead. No. Full counteract.
We got our absentee.
I'm dead. Huh?
So we got him.
Wait a minute. I didn't mean to do that.
Yeah, but I got a text, and I said I was gonna call you. They said if you think you got anything that's strange or whatever, to let them know. So what you do? I got a text that said something about my absentee ballot into It was a link telling me to return my absentee ballots as soon as possible. And the link got the right thing comes from the state. The thing.
This time I'm going to not. This is for everything. This is for like
So I don't know. That man done set up. They said he done set up people on different. They already plotting. They got people. They already ready. Yeah, they ready.
No, wrong thing. What the heck is going on? Huh? Oh.
Yeah. That's about when they took
Gotcha.
when they took the kids from the parents. He was on last night on.
Huh? Wait a minute.
So what time is it tonight? Movie is it?
Oh.
And it's on MSNBC. Oh, it may be on MSNBC. Okay.
Ah.
They
Gotcha. Wait a minute.
Try 10 o'clock.
Get out of here. No.
They had one yesterday. He's been doing it since 2015. He was
I'm out of breath.
There we go. He's been doing reports on this. It says tonight.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Remember when the kids were there? Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Don't worry.
Tell us when it's break on.
I got many scars.
I thought that was terrible.
Well, sure.
It's a good time for it to come. The people that need to see it know. Exactly, and the people that Oh, it's in the show.
Super tired, dude.
That's October 4th.
Oh, that's
That's
today.
today.
Yeah, that's why they said
Okay.
it's debuts tonight. So
Okay.
we have to wait for it to come on Netflix. Or
Yeah, it'll be, yeah.
Next.
Yeah, that was him. He was on Jerry last night. He's the one that been.
Okay. I'm gonna teach you how to do this.
See, it say if you live at, they have my address too. If you live at 29490 Norfolk Court, return your ballot as soon as possible. And then they had the link,
yeah.
and it says state.michigan.edu.
Ah!
Yeah, I wouldn't click on it.
No, I'm not gonna click on it, but I was gonna call
I'm
the city
stuck.
clerk's office
Yes, and let them.
and let them, yeah,
I would even go up there, take it and let them see it.
and
But
let
yeah.
them see it.
Yeah.
Do it.
Yeah, I don't
Do it. Oh no!
And they ordered some stuff and had mom's address.
Was what?
My car, their car was compromised, and they ordered things and had this address. They was gonna have the dog food shipped here to this address. Then my AARP shipped here. So I'm like,
Oh,
no.
because that happened to me before.
And it was
I wanna learn that.
And then it was the third.
I wanna learn that.
You know, it's Michigan First Credit Union, so I canceled that card. But I mean, they're crafty. I don't know how they.
Yeah, well,
And they had my email address too because I got.
Do instant transmission and do an attack.
That your dog food was on the way. I'm like, what dog food?
with dog food, yeah.
And I called them, you know, so. But yeah.
Well, that's what I be getting them texts that say your pack, we need an address to your package. We're unable to deliver your package.
Oh, yeah.
And I be like, and you still, because you won't be getting mad, whoever you is.
Right.
Oh, I was thinking, well, my car got compromised, but it's somebody inside church.
Oh, okay.
Employee, before I even start work, 3 times. 3 times, because I used to order online.
Yes.
So I had 3 different new debit cards.
Yeah.
I ordered 3
Do it.
different numbers.
Every time they got compromised?
Every time. 3 times they took money out of my account. 3 times. Remember what? 3?
Yeah.
So that was either somebody in that's somebody at code. That was in online.
Yeah. In the online account. Yep.
Huh? What the?
Because I called payroll, I could say payroll now. I called human resources to complain. Even though, you know, the money, I got my money back, but I'm just 3 times and you got 3 different.
Ow.
They still got it.
And that's a pain.
Your bank
Ow.
got money, but they still got whatever they
Yeah,
use
they,
your car for.
yeah.
No, no, ow!
But then, you know, they canceled the card, they issued me a new one, but
Ah.
a new one came,
Ah.
that was compromised too. All back codes. That's why I said it ain't nobody.
Come on.
Because they were done all back codes.
Yeah.
Or,
I'm stuck.
Yeah.
Those people need jobs
Oh.
really bad because they're very smart that they can put stuff together. It's unfortunate because we're all into this tech stuff now.
Where'd he go? Huh? Where did you go?
Oh yeah.
Where did you go? Where did you go? Ah! I'm stuck. Ah!
I just want to see her smile. Oh, she never smiled.
I'm stuck.
Got that straight. Y'all probably say that.
Whoa.
She'll be right back.
Whoa.
I ain't going by there now. Hell, let's go.
It sounds good, right?
So that means by the time I go over here and then stop
How can I-
at George's and come back here,
I got this.
it's 8 o'clock when I'm here.
Oh.
And
Oh.
I left at 1. Rob, I'll be right back.
Hey, we got out.
He said something about Liz Cheney too. What they say about her?
Oh, I didn't hear.
Charles told me.
Now do it.
That don't surprise me though.
Instant transmission and use in attack.
Can I get one of them Pepsis that's stuck in the refrigerator? Okay, I'm gonna go. I'll be back.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, I still heated my coffee up.
Yes, you're doing it.
It's probably old. Okay, I heated my coffee up. And have a couple swallows.
Ah! Oh! You're doing it.
I say I didn't have the two swallows. Oh,
Ah!
I do my top so my fish will still be crispy. You know how
Ah!
I hope they up there they'll do the top, you know, so the fish
Huh.
will still be crispy and hot. Yeah, because you know if they cold up that steam. Okay, I'll just make sure they do it. Yeah. Okay.
all right, I'll be back.
All right, talk to you later.
Duh.
Later, Kelly.
Okay, I think that's all. Now I can... Well, I don't wanna do it. Just... I don't wanna do it because she'll die instantly. Okay. Okay, you asked for it. Hit me. The strongest attack is this. Those are the strong. And this. And that is the strongest. You didn't really didn't. So I can't. Now I can go. See ya. Now I can go. Later. Like,